Want to reset your Windows 11 PC, but don't want to lose your personal files? You're at the right place. You might have heard about resetting the PC with the Keep My Files option. But remember, this option still removes your installed apps and resets many of your settings. In this video, I'll show you how to use this option and how to make sure you can restore everything as quickly as possible after the reset. Since you're watching this video, I'll get straight to resetting the PC. But if the reason you're resetting is because of some issues with Windows, you might want to consider some less harsh options, which I'll discuss at the end of this video. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to System, scroll down, and click on Recovery. Here, under the Recovery options, the first option you'll find is Reset this PC. Click on the button, and then you'll get two options. The first one, Keep My Files, will keep your personal files, but delete your installed apps and settings. The second one, Remove Everything, removes everything, your files, apps, and settings. It will be like a new PC. So here we'll select the first option. This option will not delete your personal files, but all the apps that didn't come with this PC will be removed. Don't worry, you'll get a list of the apps it will delete so that you can reinstall them. Remember, it says that it won't delete your personal files, but it's best to take a backup of your essential files before proceeding with this step. Even Microsoft recommends this. On the next step, you get two more options. One is Cloud Download, which downloads the version of Windows 11 from the internet and then installs it. The other one is Local Reinstall, which uses the same Windows files that are already on your device to reinstall Windows. Now, if you choose Cloud Download, it can use more than 4 gigabytes of data. The option you choose depends on the reason why you're resetting. Maybe your PC is cluttered and you want a fresh start with Windows 11. For this, Local Reinstall is a good choice, as it won't use the internet, which means it will take less time. But if your reason for reinstalling is errors or corrupted Windows files, you should not go with Local Reinstall, as Windows will use the same files to reinstall. It might not solve the problem. For that, you need a fresh copy of Windows. So go with Cloud Download, but make sure you have a good, reliable internet connection. Whatever option you choose, the next screen prompts you with what it is going to do. For example, it will download and reinstall Windows and restore the apps and settings that came with the PC. If you want to change anything, you can click Change Settings and then make the necessary changes. Once everything is finalized, click on the Reset button. Now go grab some snacks and coffee. It's going to take some time. Once everything is done, you'll see your desktop, and you can see that all of my personal files are still there, but the apps are gone. You also get an HTML file with the list of removed apps. You can open it in your browser and then install the apps manually. Now, let's talk about the other options that I mentioned at the beginning. Resetting is a little bit harsh. It removes all of your installed apps and settings. You need a good 2 to 3 hours to completely restore your PC, especially if you use a long list of programs and apps. What I want to say is, if your reason for resetting is some Windows errors, it's better to try some other options that Windows offers, like Point-in-Time Restore or Fix Problems using Windows Update. Next, I'm going to prepare videos on these, and I'll put the links in the description and in the pinned comment, so make sure to check them out.